Taking risks can lead to extraordinary reward, but the ability to embrace uncertainty and step outside one's comfort zone is a skill not many of us embrace, let alone master. And yet research shows that individuals who are willing to take calculated risks often excel in creativity, innovation, and problem-solving skills. And these are essential in our society, which almost daily becomes exponentially more complex. Probably the most quoted IB learner profile is that which encourages our students to be risk takers, be it because it is the most tantalizing of all the profiles or simply the easiest of the 10 IB learner profiles to remember. It often gets listed first, but it's not always fully understood. In the 1920s, Amelia Earhart was an aviator extraordinaire and a pioneer who challenged societal norms and defied expectations. In a time when few women were involved in aviation, Earhart became the first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean. Her journey was fraught with uncertainty, though. The technology was still developing and the risks were immense, but she embraced that risk, motivated by her passion for flying and what must have been an immense desire to inspire others. This determination to push boundaries not only made her a symbol of courage, but also paved the way for future generations of women in aviation and beyond. Earhart's legacy continues to inspire people to take risks in pursuit of their dreams. Now, let's unpack what it means to be a risk taker. To start with, it's not about recklessness. Being a risk taker involves making thoughtful decisions that push boundaries and challenges the status quo. It's about having the courage to try new things, whether it's in academics, extracurricular activities, or in personal growth. Our students are at a pivotal moment in their lives, and cultivating this quality will serve them well in every aspect of their future. It's a sad fact that if we as parents want to see our children grow and develop into functioning global citizens, we have to be prepared to let them walk away from us. That in itself is a risk. When we see our child take their first steps towards independence, it takes a great deal of personal courage and not a little bit of clenched teeth and held breath, not to step in and smooth the way. Not if we want them to be successful, independent individuals. Our role has to become less and less all-encompassing and more facilitating. And part of that is also encouraging our children to be risk-takers themselves. Start by encouraging them to explore new interests and take on challenges, whether it's joining a new club, trying out for a sports team, or tackling difficult subjects at school. Every experience, which may involve a degree of risk, is an opportunity for growth. And when they do, remember that it is important to celebrate their courage regardless of the outcome. Remind them that every failure is a stepping stone to success. This perspective builds resilience and reinforces the idea that taking risks is a natural part and beneficial to learning. Research underscores the importance of risk-taking in education. A study by the American Psychological Association reveals that students who engage in risk-taking behaviors when supported appropriately, often show increased creativity and better problem-solving skills. These innovative traits are the key to success. Embracing risk-taking helps you to prepare for life. Being a risk-taker is essential. It empowers our students to approach challenges with confidence and creativity. They will face uncertainties in their careers and personal lives, but with a strong foundation in risk-taking skills, they'll be equipped to handle whatever comes their way. And let's encourage our children and our students to embrace risks, to challenge themselves, and to pursue their passions fearlessly. They need to be a generation that sees opportunities and uncertainty and approaches the future with the boldness and resilience that welcomes possibility. It's about developing the courage to step into the unknown with all its potential and possibilities.